Hello everyone. So yes, after a long time, I'm making this video on this channel, and I know you guys have been missed me and also looking for new videos from this channel because over the time I have seen a great rise of my channel in terms of viewers and subscribers. So I really appreciate your support, guys. But yes, I couldn't been able to make regular videos, especially after last year September. Yeah, the videos are not coming in a regular basis, so I'm really sorry, guys, but everyone has some own stuffs and some family things to manage, and also you guys know I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I have a full-time job. So it's been a hard time for me to manage my full-time job and managing my Merch by Amazon account, and also manage my other family stuffs, and finally creating videos for you guys. So the last thing I wasn't being able to do in a regular basis, but no worries. So in this video I'll give you guys an idea like when will be the time then I'll come back in a full swing and create regular videos for you guys again. So before going to that point, let me show you a quick glance of my Merch by Amazon sales and update like where my account is currently standing. So yes, I haven't been tiered up yet because I wasn't been able to upload designs continuously. But yeah, the number of designs I have uploaded, they are giving me, I mean, they are paying me back. So that's a good point for me. Like though I have only 691 live designs, but you know what? I've already made 2,113 sales on the US market, and more interesting part is I don't compromise with the royalties. As you guys know, I'm so much aggressive in terms of the royalties per sale. So even it is a t-shirt, hoodie, whatever it is, I just don't compromise my royalties. Also I put my designs on a high royalty from the very beginning with the new upload. Like if it's, I don't care if it's a new design, new listing, or it's been an old listing. I My minimum threshold of royalties per sale is 4.48. So yes, my minimum listing price for a standard t-shirt is 18.99. I don't compromise with it, as you know. So that's helped me to make this amount of royalty from over 2,000 plus sales. So this month it's going great for me because I have made 1,300 royalties from 216 sales only. So it means my royalties per sale is 6.02. So last year during September, when I used to create video for you guys, you have seen my royalties per sale were around 4.5. So for this month I have jumped from that margin. But yeah, it's because I have chased some trends. So for trends you can actually push your pricing. If your design is good, if you are standing organically good, also if you are pushing your design or listing with ads, you can actually go for a good royalties per sale, and you can actually be aggressive with your pricing once you see a good number of sales coming from that design when you are chasing the trend. So regarding the trend, don't be shy of your pricing, guys. If you're seeing your design is making sales, just go and have some party with your royalties. Just don't compromise it. But for regular evergreen designs, still I don't list them with lower price. I still try to place them with 18.99, as I said already. So I'm guessing my royalties per sale will be around $5 per sale after the end of this year. So my target for this year is to maintain a royalties per sale at around $5 per sale. So yeah, and last month it wasn't around nothing, because I haven't run any ad. I haven't uploaded anything to my March Amazon account. I just left it back out of my calculation and out of my task, and I didn't look over my account too many times during the last month. So yeah, that's acceptable. I don't mind if I'm having 37 sales without doing nothing for my account. So yeah, but once I pay time, and once I spend time, and once I manage my account regularly, it pays me back, so I don't mind. So I will now show you my product dashboard. So you can see the total number, apart from the return, is 2157, and the total royalty is 9960. So I'm excited to hit the 10k royalty milestone or threshold. So it will be a good achievement for me, and I'm really excited to achieve that within this month. So 40 more dollars to earn to achieve the 10k target. So one important thing now I'm going to tell you is, this is going to be important for people's like tier 500, tier 1000 and above. Guys, miles by Amazon business and strategies have been changing rapidly. So what you are seeing today is going to be different after 5 months or 1 year. So you have to be really strategic regarding your process and regarding your targets. So your vision should be pointed towards the changes that's already happening. So my point is, guys, increase the number of products with sales. So you see, I have already 5,000 over 5,000 products listed on all of the Amazon platforms, Amazon CA, I mean Amazon.com, Amazon DE, Amazon UK. But out of those 5,000, I've only made sales with 312 products. So if 300 products can give me around 10k profit, then you can imagine what will be the number if I have products with sales of 500, 1000 or even 2000. So in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is, just try to increase your number of products with sales. Do whatever it requires you to do. Spend some ads at the very beginning when you listed the product, and once you made a couple of sales, then you can just run the ad off for that product, and you can just rely on the organic sales. But make your target of increasing the product with sales. So this year my ultimate target is to increase product with sales, and I'm not sure where I'll be ending after at the end of this year, but my target for this year is to make at least 800 products with sales. I know this will be huge task and huge vision and huge mission, but I'll be chasing that. So if I make a target of 800, I believe I'll at least end up with 500. So that's my goal for this year. And also, obviously, I'm struggling with uploading the designs and filling the slots. As you can see, I'm already eligible for tier 4000 because I have made already over 2000 sales, but I'm still struggling at tier 1000 because I haven't filled the slots. So once I made the live designs count to 800, I'll be automatically up tiered up to tier 2000. It will take me 2, 3 or maybe 10 days, but I'll eventually be tiered up to tier 1000. And then my next target is to fill them up to 1600 live regions, and then I'll again be tiered up to tier 4000. So number of sales isn't a matter of concern for me right now. Only matter of concern for me is to fill up the slots. So I don't worry about tier up because I'm having sales. I'm having a good number of sales, so that's something positive for me. I just need to focus on filling my slots, and my strategies are I'm actually treating my March by Amazon account with more commercial purpose. So I've hired 2 graphic designer for me just at the beginning of this month, and they are now creating designs for me. So and now I'm only focusing on research and upload. Over the time, maybe I'll hire another guy just to upload my designs. Obviously there are some automation tool, but March by Amazon is already changing. Today we already see an update, like they are applying a drag and drop design, I mean drag and drop product creation tool in March by Amazon. So I haven't received that update yet. I haven't checked it already, so let me give a quick check. But I believe I haven't received that yet, because it will be rolled out to higher tier guys first, then the lower tier guys. So yes, it's not available for me yet, but yeah, it will be here eventually. So I don't mind if I'm not receiving that now. So yes, so I've had two designers who are helping me create my designs. So I believe my slot fillings process will be more rapid, and I'll achieve the tier up goals more quickly than before. All right, so the I'm done with actually giving a summary of my account. Now let's talk about you guys, like when I will be back with more strategic and March by Amazon niche search videos. So I have some family stuffs to be finished by March 20. So that is next month, March of 20. And after March of 20, I promise you guys that I will be back in full swing, and I will create videos for you guys on a regular basis. So it's not only me who is making good sales on March by Amazon. So you guys also can have some strategic help from me, and make some possible sales on your account as well. So I'll be focusing on a couple of things, like uh, dedicated video for lower tier guys like tier 10, tier 25, and also tier 100, and then dedicated video for people's like over tier 500. So you guys can find what is relevant to you. Now I would like to know from you guys. Please let me know in the comment section, like what is the most important part that you are struggling with. It can be like niche research, that is the most common problem for lower tier guys. But apart from that, there could be many other things that you need help from me. So like uh, listing keywords, how we can actually look for optimized keywords, and like what will be the ratio of evergreen versus trend. So yeah, there are lots of things. Just let me know in the comment section below what is the most important factor that you want to learn from me, and you want me to create some videos on the basis of that topic. And yeah, that's it. And let me know from you guys in the comment section below, and then I'll create my draft plan of videos, weekly videos, and I'll create videos accordingly after March 20. So till then, stay safe guys, and do hustling, and a happy March. Thank you. Bye.